Hello, this is Michael. It is August 29, 2020. I hold in my hand an empty pack of Frankford Arsenal 4 Second Fuzes dated 1863. The pack was made in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania once again in the year 1863. It may have been on the shelves for a number of years after. These fuses were manufactured to be placed inside of adapters that would in turn be placed into artillery shells. The package still retains that magnificent scent. Here is another angle. I will be including a link for a blog entry. That blog entry will have close-up photographs. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.